Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily newspaper analysis where we give an analysis of the Hindu newspaper from the prelims perspective. Guys, if you have observed in the recent years, the type of questions coming in the prelims examinations makes it paramount important for every aspirant that they should read the newspaper. But the problem is most of the aspirants they don't know how to extract maximum out of these newspapers. So guys, this initiative is basically to help those aspirants who are preparing through self study at home. So in these videos, I will be basically guiding you how to prepare newspapers from the prelims perspective. Because if you do not crack prelims, then the overall, okay, your effort goes down the drain. Okay, and if you follow the kind of strategy which I'm giving you for the current affairs, definitely you will crack the prelims examination, because these days the person who has mastered the current affairs has the high chances of cracking the prelims examination. Guys, I myself have cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, and in my high scores, you can see some of my scores, the current affairs has played a very important role. So with this, let us start. So guys, on the front page, these are the three news items you can see here. April gross GST passed 2.1 lakh crore in the new order. So guys, you need to prepare what? You need to prepare what is GST. What is GST? Then what are the constitutional articles related to GST? What is GST Council? Then what is IGST, integrated GST? Then what is GST compensation cess? Okay, so all these terms which are there, you need to know about it. You need to know about it, particularly the constitutional angle. You need to know about it. Very, very important this topic from the economy subject. Okay, next you can see here two tribes have been mentioned: Kuki, Jo, and Meiti. Okay, so they can ask you, okay, human geography. Okay, you have to locate on the map where are these, okay, tribes located in India. Next, you can see Supreme Court plea allocation spectrum without auction. So guys, here you need to prepare what is Supreme Court registry. Okay, what is Supreme Court registry? What is this registrar general rule? Okay, particularly Supreme Court registry, what is the function of in that registry? Second, what is administrative allocation? What is auction and administrative allocation? What is the difference between them? Next, you can see here a map point. Okay, Vibhuti Falls in the Western Ghats. Vibhuti Falls. What are the other falls? Let me give you one assignment. Okay, okay. Please go through internet and make a list of falls on Western Ghats. Falls in Western Ghats. Okay, important falls. You can see Vibhuti Falls has been mentioned. So important map points. Next, guys, you can see there are two news from the space. You can see one news is on moon occulting brightest star Antares. Not that important, just go through it briefly. Okay, ISRO finds proof of water ice on polar crater of moon. Also not that important, just briefly go through it. Okay, not that important. Next, this topic is very important, guys. Particles called quarks hold the key to final fate of some stars. So guys, UPSC in the past has already asked you about types of stars. Types of stars. Okay, so you need to prepare what are neutron stars. What are neutron stars? What are the mechanism in which neutron stars are formed? What is the fate of neutron stars? What are quarks? What are black holes? So very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, please do prepare this article. I would say that this is one of the most important article today. Next, you can see, guys, plastic treaty from environment. You all know at Ottawa there is negotiation happening for a global plastic treaty. So you can go through it. What is this intergovernmental negotiating committee? The fourth phase of it is going on. Okay, just go through it. Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is very important in UPSC. I think this year definitely one question will come on plastic pollution. Next, heat waves, guys. Heat waves, again, a very important concept. What are heat waves? What is the definition of heat waves? Okay, very important. We have covered this yesterday in our DPN. Next, ocean heating, guys. Guys, global temperature of ocean is increasing. What is the impact? Prelims question, they can ask you, what is the impact? You can see they have given the impact. You can see accelerated coral bleaching, fishery sector is harmed. Okay, then cyclones will increase. You see, impact. Please prepare the impact of ocean heating. Okay, from the prelims perspective. Next, you see the wrong way to fight inequality. What kind of questions you can expect in the prelims examination? They can give you fact-based questions. Fact-based question is top 1% of India has what percentage of national income? Has what percentage of national wealth? These kinds of questions can come. Then what is this wealth tax? When was it introduced in India? When was it scrapped in India? Why was it scrapped? Okay, so all these kind of things they can ask you. Next, services export. Guys, last year UPSC has asked a question on export data. Okay, what is the share of India in the global services export? Okay, fact-based questions can come, and here gift city is there. Gift city is also very, very important for the prelims examination. Next, animal protection bill. Every day I'm giving you one act to prepare. So today you need to prepare Prevention of Cruelty Act. Very important act. This has been in news for the last 1 or 2 years. So please do prepare this animal Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act. Okay, very, very important. The bill is important from the perspective of mains, but the act is important for the perspective of prelims. Okay, here you can also prepare this person, Rukmini Devi Arundale. Rukmani Devi Arundale. Who was Rukmani Devi Arundale? Very important personality in history. Okay, please do prepare it. Next, you can see here, center ask not to procure CCTVs from dubious seller. Here you need to prepare the cert in. What is cert in? Where it is located? What is the function of cert in? Very important from the prelims perspective. Next, India is one of the geographies affected by phishing attack. What are phishing attacks? What are different types of cyber attacks? Cyber attacks. What are phishing attacks? Okay, you need to prepare. Next, guys, you can see this National Bank for Financing of Infrastructure and Development. What is the mandate of this bank? What is the mandate of this bank? You need to prepare. Next, guys, South Korea discussing participation in AUKUS. Guys, what is AUKUS? Groupings are very important. Okay, in groupings, you need to prepare two things. Who are the members and what is the aim and objective? So, guys, let me see in the comment box how many of you know who are the members of AUKUS. Prelims question, very important. You can ask members. Next, UK sends asylum seekers to Rwanda. Guys, UK has come out with a bill called Rwanda Bill. Through that, they are going to send all those asylum seekers to Rwanda. So, map perspective, where is Rwanda? Where is Rwanda? Okay, then English Channel through which the migrants cross from France into UK. So English channel is also very important. Then guys, India, Australia. India, Australia. Recently there has been some controversy. So you can see India, Australia, okay, they have signed economic cooperation and trade agreement. So they can ask you what kind of agreement is there between India, Australia. Australia is also important from the perspective of import of critical minerals. Critical minerals. Okay, and also import of coal. We import coal and critical minerals from Australia. Let me see how many of you know what is the rank of Australia in terms of coal production and in terms of lithium production. Let me see how many of you can answer it. Okay, next you can see guys, Hamas, okay, in IR. You can see here Israel Blinken asked Hamas to accept very strong deal. So guys, Rafah, where is Rafah located? Next, Hijabullah. Okay, Hijabullah, they can ask you, they can give you all, okay, these groups, they can give you these groups and they can ask you match the with countries. Okay, Hamas, Hijabullah, and they can give you match the countries like that. Prelims question can come. Next, Finland. Okay, Finland has joined the NATO. You must be knowing it. Okay, so which are the new countries which have joined NATO and map perspective? Finland borders with Russia. So which are the countries which are bordering Finland? They can ask you. So these are some of the important topics from today from the prelims perspective in the newspaper. Guys, please do read the paper and try to develop these analytical skills which will help you both in the prelims examination and also in the mains examination. Thank you guys. Bye bye.